So hello friends, today I am showing to how to install Docker on the Ubuntu machine. So I have to check if Docker installed or not. So we have to check Docker version. So now it's not installed, you can see it here, Docker not found. And I want to check the container size, container list. So Docker, so we have to install the Docker. So I'm using the Ubuntu machine with this 20.10.14 version. So I have to run this command. I will share you this command into the list to the description box. So sudo app install docker.io. I have to copy another command. Sudo system control. I have to check docker command. So permission denied. So we have to go first. We have to make a root user. So we have to go to sudo su and then run docker ps. So now you can see it here. We have successfully installed the Docker on the Ubuntu machine and the Docker version. So this is the Docker version 20.10.12. And if I want to pull the image from the Docker hub, so Docker, let's check if any images are there or not. Docker images. So no image in the local machine, so we have to pull the image. Docker pull Tomcat. So I'm pulling the Tomcat image from Docker Hub. So it is pulling the images. Now they have pulled the image. Now we have to check the status. So now we can able to see Docker Tomcat and the tag is latest. So I want to pull the particular image like with tag version. I want to pull this particular particular image and the tag version. So let's see. Docker images in Docker pull. Now they are pulling the particular version with tag 8.0. Now you can see it here. We have pulled the image from Docker Hub with the latest tag and the 8.0 like version wise. And I want to check no container is running. So in this session we have covered how to install the Docker and how to pull the image from the Docker hub. Yeah, thanks.